Okay, also let's look at this bow. See if I can see the bow at the top. Oh, I'm looking at it. Okay, yeah, you can see it bows to the left. Okay, so that's that bow. It points that way. That's called the crown. We're gonna put the crown up. When we put the glass in. Still got it? So basically, what they would do is they blow these huge cylinders. Okay, and they lay it on the side. They cut the ends off, right? They slice it down the middle, and it would open up like this. Okay, the inner circumference of that cylinder is less than the outer circumference, right, based on the thickness of the glass. And so as it opens up, it's stretching that inner circumference, right, making it tighter. And then the outer circumference is compressing it, okay, making it wavy and mountainous. And that's what gives you your waves in the glass, okay. Now, the reason it's bowed is because the glass has a memory of sorts, right? And so it opens up flat, but then it still wants to kind of relax back to where it was. You know what I'm saying?